First, it's a good idea to update your system packages to ensure you're working with the latest versions. Next, you need to add the anydesk repository key, which confirms the authenticity of the software. Next, add the anydesk repository so that your system knows where to find anydesk when you install it. Now that the anydesk repository is added, update the package list again to include the latest packages from the anydesk repository. With the repository added and the packages list updated, you're ready to install anydesk. After installation, you can start anydesk from the Applications menu, or you can launch it directly from the terminal by typing this command. You'll see your anydesk address on the main window. You can use this address to connect to other computers or share it with others for remote access. If, for any reason, you want to remove anydesk from your system, you can do so by running this command. This command removes anydesk, but it keeps the anydesk repository in your sources list. If you also want to remove the repository, delete the anydesk.list file. Then, update your package list.